Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House. And what a fantastic day it is down here. Beautiful and sunny and gorgeous. And today we are using the air fryer, and we're going to be cooking a lovely pork dish. And it's Asian inspired pork. So we've got beautiful pork fillet of pork. So we're just going to throw two pieces into our bowl here. Again, what's great about this recipe is super simple, but the flavors are intense. So we're going to put a little bit of soy sauce on it. A little bit of chili jam, so Thai chili jam. Oh, look at that, nice. And a little bit of sesame oil. You just want to give that good mix up like that. Now you can let that marinate for half an hour or something like that. I'm just going to throw it into the air fryer straight away. That's going to go in to our air fryer. And that's going to take, what, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 minutes?
15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size.
Good to see you're awake there, Jules.
If you put the whole pork steak, 30 minutes, but it's 1.5.
So that's in there. While that's cooking, get your wok pan on. There you get a chili, fresh ginger. Okay, and then you get a little bit of sesame seed oil. So the idea is that I want to kind of make a sticky sauce. So I'm going to roll these fillets of pork into the sauce here. In there, get that hopping. So we have a lime here. Cut that in half. Get that ready. We've got little snap peas. In they go.
Can you use onions or any other vegetables?
You can use a little bit of onions in there. So if you want, a little bit of soy sauce in there. Again, you have that in already. The sweet chili jam.
Can you use dried ginger if you don't have fresh?
Squeeze of lime juice in there. What have we got here? Spinach, dandelion leaves.
Yes, yeah.
What are they, Julian?
Spinach leaves, and this is just a bit of salad. I can't remember
Salad?
the name. We'll have to ask John.
In there, spinach leaves. A little bit of coriander. Nice. Okay, and we've got whole peanuts with the skin on. Turn the heat off on that. You cucumber here. Slice that down. Get your bowl. Put your rice in on the bowl. You cucumber here. Okay, so we have a little bit of vegetables on there. Looks pretty nice there, Julian. There's the pork.
Smells very tasty.
Looks pretty amazing. So you just want to toss that pork in your sauce, just so you get a nice glaze on it.
Can you do it with pork steak or pork chops?
This is pork steak, Julian.
Oh, sorry. Could you do it with pork chops?
Yeah, you can. Look at that. Just looks really fresh. Get the nuts on top. And there you have kind of a sticky pork fillet, rice vegetable bowl, I guess that's what it's called. We need to come up with a better name than that. Gillian will. All right, cheers.